Hey everyone! Welcome back to Lovely Tips. I'm Jolly, and today we're tackling a problem that many of us have faced at some point: cockroaches in the house. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some effective solutions that will help you say goodbye to these unwanted guests. Let's jump right in. Before we begin the battle, it's crucial to understand your enemy. Cockroaches are resilient pests that can quickly multiply. They are attracted to food, moisture, and shelter, so our job is to deny them these essentials. Start by inspecting your home. Check for signs of cockroach activity like droppings, shed skin, and egg capsules. Pay close attention to areas such as the kitchen, bathroom, and cracks in walls. This will help you determine the severity of the infestation. To eliminate cockroaches, we need to get rid of their hiding spots. Begin by deep cleaning your home. Pay attention to crumbs, spills, and grease. Seal food containers and fix any leaks that provide moisture. Next, let's talk about some effective DIY remedies. You can use a mixture of baking soda and sugar as a bait, or create a cockroach spray with soap and water. These solutions are non-toxic and can help you control the problem. If you're dealing with a severe infestation, it's time to bring out the big guns. Invest in quality store-bought cockroach baits, traps, or gels. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the best results. If the infestation persists despite your efforts, it's time to call in the professionals. They have the expertise and tools to eradicate the problem safely and effectively. Preventing cockroaches from returning is just as crucial as eliminating them. Seal cracks and crevices, fix screens, and keep your home dry and clean. Regular maintenance is key. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to getting rid of cockroaches in your home. Remember, persistence is key. Keep your home clean, apply the methods we discussed, and don't give up. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maintaining a pest-free home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.